Entertainment. You already know, man. We live in session right now, man. Mixtape coming soon, man. The album before the album, which is the official album. That's about 3 albums. It's on the way too, man. You feel me? All the way live, man. We put this shit together, man. Me and my motherfucking brother, man. AB Entertainment. Biatch. We the shit, and there's no debating. Off our beat, we levitating. I been getting money, niggas, stop the hating. Matter of fact, keep going, cause it's motivating. Me, straight to the top of the charts. The game is in pieces, and I've got the parts. And this is not just a song, but more like the bomb. But just a warning for what's about to come. Okay, first it was cool, baby. We were like the Huxtables. You would say I love you, and my reply was I love you too. Now you keep on calling and popping up, you's a bugaboo.
Shout it there bad, she in the zone. Shout it there red all the way to the bone. What's it look like when the lights come out? What's it look like when the lights come out? Shout it